Okay, with this logarithmic equation, we have two logs on one side. So what we want to do is we notice that both of these have the same base. Because they have the same base, we can condense them into one logarithm. So what we do here, we've got a subtraction sign here which tells us that we need to divide. We've got an x and a 4. This will be x divided by 4. Now the base remains the same. That's going to stay there. Log base 3. So notice that's where our 3 came from right here. This subtraction sign is what necessitates the division sign here. If that were an addition sign, we would multiply the two. Okay, so we've got this one here and it equals 2. I didn't really touch anything on the right hand side. Now what we need to do after we've moved it into one logarithm is we need to convert it to exponential form. Now, exponential form, this one has a log base 3, so that means the base on my exponent is going to be 3. The exponent itself will be this 2 over here. So this is where I got the 2. The 3 comes from my base here, and this right here I didn't really do anything with other than move it over onto the other side of the equal sign. Now we need to simplify what's on the left-hand side here, this 3 squared. We know that 3 squared is 9, so 9 equals x divided by 4. And really all we're going to do now is just solve it for x. I've got an x divided by 4. The opposite of division is multiplication, so I multiply both sides by 4. The ones on my right hand side here will cancel each other. And now I just need to figure out what 4 times 9 is, and that is 36. This one does ask you to round it to the nearest thousandth. We don't need to because it's a whole number, so just leaving it as 36 will be just fine for your answer.